Well, I'd like to use this drawing to illustrate how you can add value to your landscape designs by following a few simple rules. You will notice that there are plenty of dimensions on this design. That's so that the construction team can build this design without any reference to the designer. But I am going to go to my layers stack and hide or turn off the LDIM layer, and you can see the dimensions now disappear. The other thing I'm going to do is each of these symbols has a circle around it. That's used for the construction team. We can, by manipulating layer visibility, just put a circle on to indicate where the plant's going to be. But this is a design to show the client we don't need that construction circle, so we'll turn it off. So now we have a design ready for printing. So let's just swing to an L2 landscape version, an A2 sheet, and you can see our logos there, the north point and the scale show reasonably well. We're going to add some value playing with gCADPlus's ability to label plant symbols and to make a custom plant schedule. Under gCADPlus Plant Schedules and List, you've got an option to apply a code to the center of all selected symbols. We can select that tool, and we're asked to select the symbols. So I can just wrap a box around all the symbols I want. I think I'm going to miss that last screening climber on the wall there. So all the plant symbols have been selected. I'm then asked for the text height, and remember this will be written, or the schedule will be written using the current text font. So we'll reduce that a little and say 175, and you may or may not be able to see as we zoom in that each symbol has now been labelled. The reason that that tool works, of course, is that if we pick this one here, that's Calothamnus villosus, it's already been tagged in the plant data file that accompanies this drawing. Let's have a look at that plant data file, edit the plant list, and there's the little list that this design team uses whenever they have a job which uses Australian native plants. I need to add the brachycomb to there to correct the spelling error that's in list. So we have our list and we've assigned all plants. So now's the time to print the schedule. I'm going to use a custom schedule, so it's gCADPlus Schedules and List Plant Schedule. Draw the custom schedule. Do I want the symbol included? Yes. The red markers? No. Include the code? Yes, because we've just labelled all of these and put a code in it. Pot size? No. Botanic name? Yes. Common name? Yes. Put them one under the other? Yes. And the text type will stick to 175 and put in our corner point like so. Now our list gets drawn. So anyone looking now at the drawing can look at a code there, find the code very easily and locate the specimen. What I'm now going to do though to add value is to export that data to a comma-separated file and then use it in our plant database application. So it's gCADPlus, extract schedule, extract a plant schedule, and we'll put it on the desktop, and I'll overwrite one called stored data. Well, I've now swung to our companion plant database SPPDB, and this sample one contains 200 entries. What I'm then going to do is to use file and import a comma-separated file, and we'll pick that up from the desktop, stored data, and open it up. I'm asked would I like to clear the tags. Well, I've been playing with it and I say yes. So now let's see if we can remember one of the species that's in the list. Kunzia baxteri was one of those, And there we are. Notice that Kunzia baxteri has got a red highlight around the image. That indicates that it's been tagged. We can now print by saying File and Print all tagged entries, and we want to print the name and image URL we don't. What I'm going to do is pick, say, a PDF writer. I'll pick the bullzip one because that'll throw up my reader straight away. And here's the result. We've got each species on a separate sheet. All of the information from the database is, including the comments at the bottom, is included on each sheet. So we've added considerable value to the client design. Hope you like it.